Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing something different. I'm kind of not working on my trucks. I'm working on my truck, but not the truck. Today we're working on fixing an exhaust pipe on my truck. The guys welded in. The pipe broke where they welded. So I'm gonna cut some rebar and make a little side braces, and then weld to cross each pipe, and then weld up the seam. That way, it takes the tension off the joint and gives it support. So we're going to do that, cut some pieces, grind them down, make them smooth, grind our pipe, and tack it back in place, and then weld it up. That's what we're doing. We'll turn it around, and then we'll go time lapse it. Well, we got it welded up, but it's not the best. It's definitely not the best. See those pretty big ass welds? I had a hard time with it. To be honest. Real honest, I had a hard time. Not super hard, but not the best. It's a flux core welder, so they never are that good. I probably could turn down my wire a little bit, and it probably wouldn't have clumped up so bad, but it is what it is. It's under the truck, and I don't care that much as long as it holds. Be better than that big loud ass droning sound that was going on before. I got to make a hanger for this back and weld it on real quick out of this rebar, and then call it done.